All right, if only for curious minds, I'm checked into my room here at Harrah's, and it was a little bit of a process getting checked in. They don't have places for campers to park, so I had to park across the street at Harrah's, which is I'm at Harvey's, and Harrah's is owned. Harvey's and Harrah's are owned by the same company. So, look at the room with the view, and here's Lake Tahoe, and I'm not sure if that's Lake Tahoe, Nevada, or Lake Tahoe, California. Not sure if the lake is in part of it's in Nevada, part of it is in California, but I guess it really doesn't matter. So that's the view from the room, and it is a beautiful day today. It is actually temperature is probably about 80 degrees outside, maybe a little bit warmer, and just a scattering of clouds around. But boy, after sleeping in the camper for the last I don't know, a couple weeks or something, to have a nice I brought the I brought the unicycle, if only because I had to park so far away. And that's one of the convenient things about the unicycle. If I forgot my toothbrush or something, then I just jump on the unicycle and I zip back over to the camper. But it's not a bad room, and it's going to be nice to spend the night here. Go soak in a jacuzzi, and have a nice shower. I don't actually see the shower, but I'm sure it's here somewhere. There's the shower there. So that is that's the digs for the week. So from the parking lot of the parking lot of the TJ Maxx to a nice suite here at Harvey's. Have a great day.